just stay on with me. Some more breaking news coming in. Shiv Sena MP Shrikant Shinde has spoken after his delegation concluded their four-nation visit. The MP has thanked the government for being given the opportunity and has expressed confidence in reaching the delegation's goals.
सबसे पहले तो मैं हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अदा करता हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे ये डेलीगेशन लीड करने का अवसर दिया। मैं खुद को बहुत ही भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ कि जिस पार्श्वभूमि पर ये डेलीगेशन अलग अलग देशों में जा रहा है, उस डेलीगेशन में बहुत सीनियर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्स रहे हैं, फॉर्मर मिनिस्टर्स रहे हैं, एस अहलुवालिया जैसे सबसे सीनियर पार्लियामेंटेरियन भी इस डेलीगेशन में है, ईटी बशीर मोहम्मद जैसे सीनियर पार्लियामेंटेरियन और फॉर्मर मिनिस्टर रहे हैं, अतुल गर्ग जी, इनका भी एक अनुभव पॉलिटिक्स में रहा है और वो भी मंत्री रहे हैं। हमारे डॉक्टर सस्मित पात्रा जी है, हमारी बासरी स्वराज जी है, सुजान चिनॉय जी है, हमारे मनन मिश्रा जी है, वो भी बार काउंसिल के अध्यक्ष रहे हैं। तो ऐसे सभी लोगों के साथ एक टीम वर्क करने का मौका मुझे मिला और एक अलग अनुभव था, एक अलग आत्मीयता हम सभी में इन 13 दिनों में बन गई एक दूसरे के प्रति।
Aditya, take our viewers through the details, please.
Well, absolutely, Devika, as you see, on the conclusion of visit to four nations for global outreach on Operation Sindoor, all party delegation leader and Shiv Sena MP Shrikant Shinde has said that, first of all, I thank Prime Minister Narendra Modi for giving me this opportunity to lead this delegation. Many senior parliamentarians and former ministers with vast experience are a part of this delegation. Affinity arose between all of us in these 13 days. We got a chance to understand each other. In every nation we visited, we experienced affinity for India, and the influence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi was visible. After meeting the leadership in different countries, it didn't take us long to explain to them how India has been fighting terrorism. So, at this juncture, he's also gone on to say that, every country they visited condemned the cowardly Pahalgam terrorist attack. So, at this, now, since now the multi-party delegations will be arriving back to India, they will, submit a conclusive report to the Prime Minister office as to what objectives were, what diplomatic objectives were achieved during this visit. And, it is very possible that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi could meet all 7-party delegations soon. So, at this juncture, all the multi-party delegations have successfully completed their diplomatic task, and the process to globally isolate Pakistan has begun, and world has even recognized the fact that Pakistan is an epicenter of global terrorism. Yes,